10 Proven Budgeting Strategies to Boost Your Personal Finances. Welcome back to Wealth Health, where we give you ideas for you to take control of your financial future. I'm Moneybot, and today, we have an exciting topic that's going to revolutionize the way you manage your money. That's right. We'll be diving into 10 proven budgeting strategies to boost your personal finances. Budgeting doesn't have to be boring or restrictive. In fact, with the right strategies, it can become a powerful tool to achieve your financial goals, whether it's paying off debt, saving for that dream vacation, or even investing for your future. So, let's get started and unlock the potential of your personal finances. Strategy 1. Track your expenses. The foundation of any successful budget is knowing where your money is going. By diligently tracking your expenses, you'll gain insights into your spending habits, identify areas where you can cut back, and allocate more resources to your financial priorities. Strategy 2. Create a realistic budget. A budget isn't about deprivation. It's about making conscious choices. Sit down and create a realistic budget that aligns with your financial goals and lifestyle. Factor in essential expenses, savings, investments, and even some room for occasional treats. Strategy 3. The 50-30-20th rule. This rule is a game changer. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. It helps strike a balance between enjoying your money and securing your financial future. Strategy 4. Emergency fund essentials. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected expenses can throw your budget off track. Establish an emergency fund equivalent to at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses to safeguard your financial stability. Strategy 5. The debt snowball method. If you have multiple debts, the debt snowball method can accelerate your journey to becoming debt-free. List your debts from smallest to largest, and focus on paying off the smallest one first while making minimum payments on the others. Once you clear one debt, roll the payment into the next, creating a snowball effect. Strategy 6. Negotiate and reduce bills. Don't be afraid to negotiate with service providers and companies to get better deals on your bills. It can lead to significant savings over time, boosting your budget and financial flexibility. Strategy 7. Limit impulse spending. We've all been there, those spontaneous purchases that weren't really necessary. Implement a waiting period for non-essential purchases to curb impulse spending and make sure you're spending your money intentionally. Strategy 8. Maximize your savings accounts. Make sure your money is working hard for you by choosing high-yield savings accounts with competitive interest rates. This way, your savings will grow faster, helping you reach your financial goals sooner. Strategy 9. Invest for the future. Investing can be a powerful tool to build wealth over time. Research different investment options and start putting your money to work in the stock market, mutual funds, or real estate, depending on your risk tolerance and goals. Strategy 10. Regularly review and adjust. Finally, remember that life changes, and so should your budget. Regularly review your financial situation, celebrate your progress, and adjust your budget to stay on track and continue to thrive. And there you have it, 10 proven budgeting strategies to boost your personal finances. I hope you found these tips valuable and that they inspire you to take control of your financial future. If you would like me to go into more detail on a particular strategy, comment below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell, so you never miss an update.